Thirikari ikoretwo igikuruhanio na ciiko cia unyitani migwate na andu gucoka kuragwo na njira iri na kiriga. Mubunge wa Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro agikumithia ciiko ici iria cikoretwo ciongererekete na njira nene bururi-ini.
Kana mutino no ndu cio urari undu wa kieha muno ati mundu kwandika kaundu ng'enda-ini ni undu wina thoni na ni undu wina kieha kinene muno, na ngwiciria maundu macio ni mundu tondu ni ngoretwo guku ngimuthima ndiona muri andu arakaru.
Arauga Mukenya wothe na wiyathi wa kwiyaria na gutire mundu wagirirwo ni kunyamario na njira yothe ni kuruta thirikari mahitia.
It is despicable ya kwamba Mkenya anatoa malalamishi ati kurudisha mkono serikali inaondoa maisha ya huyo Mkenya. It is diabolical. It is very wrong. Na tunasema hawa watu wote, watu ambao wako kwa positions ya uongozi, we must respect the lives of Kenyans. Na hii mambo ya kutisha wa Kenya lazima ikome. It has to come to an end.
Oriti aria me wabici-ini cia muingi kwiyeheria angikorwo mundu ndarenda kurio ciuria kana kurutwo mahitia.
And as a leader, either elected or appointed in any position of government, it is the right of Kenyans to give their voice about the conduct of your office. They may criticize you because you are in a public office. If you feel the heat is too much, you are in a government office, you don't want to be criticized. You don't want Kenyans to give your opinions about your conduct. Safari ni moja tu. Sio Mkenya atanyamaza, ni wewe utaondoka kwa hiyo kiti.
Ndindi aritie mwena wa Kirogo na Kambirwa hindi yo heani wa ceki cia basari.
Aria mena andu na kuu nja wa Kiharu marahe ciana ciao guku cithomere guku tondu guku ni raithi na Friday ni maririaga ki au ni hoki.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Murang'a, ritwa riakwa ni Victor Kinothia.